Hi and welcome. This special announcement is basically a reflection on this year and the last few years of my YouTube channel. And I know this year for almost everybody has been a total dumpster fire. A lot of people lost jobs, some of them never to come back, some of them temporarily, but losing work for a month or two really can make people slide backwards financially. So I know it's been a very hard year that way. We may know someone or someones that caught the COVID virus and have been very sick and or passed on, which I hope not, but 200 and something thousand people so far have died this year, so that's very, very sad. And I know for families that have been touched by that, they couldn't even be with their loved ones when they passed, so that makes it extra difficult because they don't even get to say goodbye. But beyond all of that, the machinist community, especially on YouTube, seems to be free of people that just flame or throw insults to stir problems. It's an incredibly constructive community. I mean, we've got a very opinionated set of people in this community, which is not a problem, because they share their opinions in a constructive manner. Like, I don't agree with your approach because A, B, C, and D. And even if I disagree, that's always useful because you get me to rethink the way I do things, and I am the last person to do everything perfect, believe me. In spite of all the differences that people have, we have a lot more in common than we have differences. And I just want people to reflect on that and remember that as divisive as these last few years have been, and especially this year, no matter what your opinions are on specific topics, we have a lot more in common than we have differences. And that would illustrate itself really well if we were attacked by some external visceral threat, like, say, something imaginary like aliens coming down to the planet and attacking the country. If they did that, we'd all instantly forget all of our differences and fight the common enemy. And my point being, it shouldn't take a common enemy for us all to come together. Remember, we all love our families. We have friends. We have people we care about in our lives. We love machining. We love mechanical things. We all just want to live happy daily lives. And we may disagree on the approach to how to make this work, but my philosophy is anyone should be able to do anything they want unless it hurts someone else or impacts someone else directly. And I think that's sort of my philosophy in life. So I'm just taking a moment to say thank you, everyone, for being so wonderfully constructive with your comments and criticisms on my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching and sticking with me. I've got a lot more to come. Before I go, I've got a further special announcement. The gentleman over at Can't Kill Me, he and his father recently suffered a tragic loss. Someone lit a car on fire outside their house and it burnt down their whole workshop, and they lost almost everything, which is just horrific. So they have a GoFundMe site, which he provides links to in the videos on the garage burning down. But even if you don't have money because of how difficult this year's been and you can't afford to give, I totally get that. You can, at a minimum, just go over and subscribe to his channel. That'll help him out, and I'm sure he'll really appreciate knowing that people are thinking of him. Plus, leave a comment on his video about his garage burning down, just letting him know that there's people out there that care about him and feel for him and sympathize with this situation, and he knows that he's not alone because we're really all in this together. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.